Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is McKinley, and I hope everybody had a really good weekend this weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. Took a few days off, spent some time with the family. So I'm feeling refreshed, ready to get back to work. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to build a landing page using a free website that I found. Now, it's not as fancy as ClickFunnels. It's pretty basic, but it is free. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, this is a free place to start, and it's pretty easy to get set up. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. All right. We're going to go to a website, and I'll leave the link in the description as well, called quickpages.co. Not .com, but .co. You're gonna log in, and you're going to create an account. You can either create an account with your Gmail or any other email address. Then it's going to bring you to the dashboard page. Let me see if I can show you what that is like. Okay. It's just going to be, for you, it's just going to be a blank page. Then you're just going to click on create landing page. And on there, you're going to find, you have 6 templates, okay? You got the basic pop-up, universal, for your business, elegant pop-up with footer. Anyways, you can go through all these and check all of these out. This is just for real basic, real easy. You're going to select a theme. Now, if you want to change the background, okay, you can do that on Canva or Pixabay. You can create your own background. They have some free images that you can use. I happen to have an image that's already on my computer. Let's see. All right, we're going to go to, close that. Okay. We're going to go find the picture. This whole thing's a mess, but it's okay. Welcome to my computer. Pictures, here we go. And we are looking for the keto food. Just type that in. Keto food. Okay, so now that we got the picture saved, we're going to custom keto diet. Enter your email address to get access to the video, and I'll show you that in a minute. Button text, start, challenge now, your email here. Okay. And the reason why we picked all of this stuff is we actually, for the offer, this particular offer, I just chose custom keto diet. You can pick anything. This is just a basic template. This is in the health and wellness niche. It's pretty popular, and this will sell. It has, let's see, 384 gravity score, so that's pretty good. That means a lot of people are marketing this, and if a lot of people are marketing it, it must be selling. So there's some competition in this niche. Anyways, you're going to go grab your affiliate link, okay? And you get that right on ClickBank. So that when you come back, okay, you've got everything as you want it. So we'll preview it and I'll show you what it looks like. Make sure it's the way I want it. Yeah, start challenge now. Enter your email here. Custom keto diet. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. So we're going to submit that. All right. Now you got to give it a name. I'm just going to make it test page 2. I already have test page 1. HTML title, custom keto diet, page URL, 28-day challenge, and the thank you page. Okay, this is going to be where you paste your affiliate link. This is the page you want it to go to after they have subscribed to your email list. Now, since I am not actually promoting this product, but I will show you, you have to, in order to get them on your email list, you have to have an autoresponder. Okay, I have GetResponse, and I also have signed up for MailChimp. So you have to connect this particular website with your autoresponder and create a campaign out of that. But you would just click here, and then you would get some, it says a GetResponse token. Not sure what that is, but in GetResponse it would show you how to get that, and then you just create the page. Okay, as you can see, the name of my page is 28-day challenge. Okay, and this is your actual link. Okay, copy this. We'll go ahead and paste this into copy. Just click on it, and it takes me to the page that I set up. And then you enter the email address, and it's going to take you to the affiliate offer. So that's pretty much it. Now, for those of you that would like to promote this offer or any other offers, for the health and wellness niche, I would suggest creating an Instagram page and a Pinterest page, having an account with those two. And basically for both of them, you're relatively going to do the same thing. You're just going to post pictures of food. You can either post pictures of food that you've made that fit the custom keto plan, or there are free images all over the internet that you can use, and you just post them to your Instagram account, and Pinterest, and as your account grows, you will get, people will click on it, they will see your affiliate link, they will see this, and they will purchase it. So if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments, hit the like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Now, for my number one way to make money online, and I'm going to show it to you guys again. Okay, it is going to be traffic domination. Now, this is essentially it's a Facebook group that provides affiliate marketing training. We have Facebook training, YouTube training, Instagram training. You can purchase solo ads. We have a VIP section. We have free list building training. This is inside my affiliate area. I didn't want that. They also have what's called the One Lead System Pixel. It's basically a cookie, but when you have somebody come into the group, you will get a commission on everything that sells. So it's not just a one and done type thing. It's free to join the group. In fact, check out my video. I've already made a video on how to make $1,000 just by inviting people to a Facebook group. I encourage you to check it out. I encourage you to join the group. This is some of the things that you get by joining the group. A free coaching call, a video every Thursday. Every Friday you get to talk. You get to talk with the owner, and he is live. It's not just a recording over and over. He is live. You can ask questions. He will answer you. You also get, after you've completed your training, we will send you 100 free clicks. It's free traffic to your offer. How to make sales with solo ads, how to access the best solo ad vendor on the planet. It says 15,000 members, but we're above 20,000 now. And like I said, Traffic Domination is an amazing program. We have many different products to help you out. So that's my number one recommendation, and I would just like to thank everybody for watching my YouTube video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions, or you want to see any YouTube videos, any topics covered. Anyways, thank you, and I will see you next time.